Are you a veteran? Have you served our country? I want to thank you. I so appreciate you and what you do every day for our country and for our freedoms. For being a veteran, you qualify for a VA loan. And it is an awesome program, an awesome loan, and there's so many benefits to it. But how can you get a VA loan? What's the steps? What's the process? And what are the benefits of it? Let's jump right into the benefits of the VA loan. Number one, VA loans are zero money down, which is so awesome. Saving money is amazing, right? Number two, with the VA loan, you don't have any mortgage insurance premiums. Now, mortgage insurance is what a bank or a lender will require when you don't have 20% down, because when you're putting 20% down, it's less of a risk. However, a VA loan is backed by the Veterans Administration, and so they're taking on that risk, and so you will not owe any mortgage insurance to your lender. Real quick, I want to touch on this because I hear a lot of people get confused. So the VA does not insure the loan. The VA, so the Department of Veterans Affairs, backs a portion of the loan against default. And that's super important. I like to use that verbiage instead of saying insures the loan. I just want to make that clear because sometimes there can be a little bit of confusion there. Number three, the next benefit for VA loans is a lower interest rate. So VA loans are known for a lower interest rate versus a conventional or FHA loan. Number four, no prepayment penalties. If you want to pay your VA loan off early, feel free. You won't be charged for it. So, how do you get a VA loan? So you qualify for a VA loan based on your service history. And what you will need to get, and sometimes the lender can get this for you, however, you can also get it for yourself, is the Certificate of Eligibility, often called the COE. Here is a sample of what a COE looks like. Qualifying for a VA loan. There is a really handy chart for this online that you can find for your years of service, and it will tell you exactly how many days, consecutive days, or if you're less than the consecutive days, if you have a service-related discharge, how you qualify for the VA loan. On this same website, va.gov, check out the entire page, read through it. It tells you how you can get your own certificate of eligibility. You can certainly do this on your own, but also most lenders are able to get them as well. So if you're already working with a lender, just reach out to them and see, or if you have a lender in mind, just reach out to them and see if they can get this COE for you. Common question I hear all the time is, can I use the VA loan a second time? Yes, if you're currently in a home and you're looking to sell that for something else, all you have to do is sell the home, get that VA loan paid off, and then you can use it again. You just have to check into your VA loan entitlement and get a new certificate of eligibility. If you have any questions on getting a VA loan or VA loan programs and you're moving to Montana, just let me know. You can reach me right here and I will be glad to answer any questions that you have. I can also give you my free home buyer's guide. It can help you when you're relocating to Montana. And also make sure you hit subscribe so you can stay tuned for all things real estate. Until next time, bye.